Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to put in the wires that attach our printed circuit board to our switch. That's our switch that we put in a few steps earlier. Again, put our PCB where we think it's going to go and just estimate the distance from the PCB to the switch, and then make the wire a little bit longer, okay? Because you're better off having too much wire than not enough. If you don't have enough wire there, if you don't have enough wire there, okay, you'll have to add wire to it. It's a lot easier to cut wires than to add wires. So there's my two pieces, because you do need two pieces for the switch, and you need to strip your wire. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I'll move my board out of the way for the time being, and I'll attach my wires to my PCB first. So I twist them, and again, using my diagram, I have a look at where my switch is going. I turn it around the right way, and I realise that these two holes with the squares around them on the printed circuit board, they're the ones where my switch goes. So I put in one wire, turn it over, and I'll solder that in place. Okay, grab my other wire, and I'll solder this one in place. I can remember where I left my solder. There it is. Okay, that, my two switch wires soldered in place on the printed circuit board. Let it cool down, and I'll just cut off the excess wire on those. Now what I have to do is I have to solder those to my actual switch. Okay, actually I'm not going to do that now, I'm going to do that a bit later. Okay, what I'm going to show you next is how to put the wires in for the wand. What are you watching? For the wand and the squiggly wire. Okay, what I'm going to do with my switch wires is I'm actually just going to take the ends and I'm going to twist them together. And that is as though my switch was actually connected, and I need to do this in order to test it. Anyhow, got my switch wires in place. Okay, thank you.